second train in Metairie. About time we caught a train. Finally. After hours of waiting, we finally caught one. Oh! He's got a Warbonnet! 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 Whoa! He's got a straight up Warbonnet! Oh my gosh! He's got a straight up Warbonnet! Oh my god! Wow! Wow! That was my first Warbonnet on video too. Wow! Got a Warbonnet second. Wow! Wow, he's got a Warbonnet. Called a Gray Ghost, Kansas City Southern Local, and a BNSF Warbonnet. Wow. He's actually got a, wow. Okay, that probably has to be my best